Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy what you see. Thank you for joining. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as share. If you're first time here, you'll notice that I like a lot of different things involved with my channel. So enjoy. I'll see you next clip. We're outside on an afternoon walk. Motivated by my daughter. There's BB and there's Tokyo. Huh? I can't say she's the one that has really trained them to run freely outside off a leash. But when I take her to the park, she's leashed because there's other dogs. And of course, I was still upstairs watching TV, relaxing. We can't, don't matter. I gotta go upstairs and do the dishes and clean, get my fruit done. Ooh, so this is somebody's yard, isn't it? You cut through here? You know, I told you in one of my blogs before this one about I have a thing for cups. I'm not gonna call it a fetish, but I have a thing for cups, and I have a thing for purses, handbags. Yeah, like handbags and I like perfumes. You know, I never really I like shoes, but I never really had a thing for shoes, if you get what I'm saying. But I have a thing for purses. I mean, if I walk into a department store, usually the first section I go to is handbags, purses. Or if I'm in a store and I walk down the aisle and I see tumblers or like, you know, just little bottles, still the stainless steel bottles, that's gonna catch my attention. Instead of your conversation with me, if I'm in there with someone else, it's just gonna get my attention. So I'm so excited because it's amazing the type of stuff. Then I found another cup. Oh, this was only $6.32. And it's let me read what it says. It's stainless steel, keeps hot for up to 4 hours, keeps cold for up to 18 hours. So yeah, and it's what brand? Silver Buffalo. This is my new favorite. I haven't even used it. It's pink, stainless steel, it's tie-dyed. So yeah, that's my new favorite cup. But yeah, I just thought I just had to share that moment with y'all. I should have shared the moment of me actually purchasing it because, you know, I was amazed when I scanned it because I went through the self-checkout and I scanned it. I'm thinking it's going to be at least about, what, $10, $12. Because it's like, it's not heavy, but it feels better quality than this one. This one was $9 and almost $10. And it's 30 ounces. No, is it? Yeah, it's 30 ounces. What is this one? This one's 20 ounces. And then my other one that I have is 24 ounces. So just thought I'd let you know. My teeth look, well, my fangs look kind of yellow. I don't know. No, that's just the glare on the camera. So I'm not off for today. No. I'm just I went and I did stationary. I did the stationary back for 30 minutes because I haven't done any physical therapy since the last time I told you. And I did some jump rope for about. I gotta work my way up to that, but I did it. I'm gonna show you. You see it in the vlog. I did it, but I just didn't. It's not easy as it looks. I'll put it that way. And what else did I do today? Oh, jumping jacks. Me and my daughter worked out together last evening. She did some mountain climbing. It's impressed me. She brought her knees all the way up to her chest. I'm like, well, you go, girl. And we took the dogs for a walk. You've seen that. I'm just reviewing stuff that you've probably already seen in the vlog. And yeah, that was about it. What did I do? I did some mountain climbers as well, but not the way she did them. I used the glides. She used the glides too as well, but I did, like I just said, she brought her knees farther up than I did. And she said she felt hers mostly in her, and my goodness, we're just trying to talk together and we gotta get it blended right. But she said that she felt it mostly in her abdominal area. I felt mine in nothing but thigh meats. After when I was working and doing the mountain climbers, all my thighs was just like, wow. So I know I'll probably do some more tonight. I'm pretty sure I probably will. I don't know how many, but I probably will do some more. And I did some lateral pull downs the other day. I didn't include that in my strength training. No, I did. No, I didn't include that. I did it with a hand towel. But if you don't have the same equipment that they have at the gym, use a hand towel. And just when you're bringing it down from above your head, pull on both ends. And you'll feel it work right in your shoulder blade area. Woo! Feeling like I want some fried fish and fried shrimp. So, breaded as well. So, I'm going to use, let me show you what. I'll put it in here. This brand here. The Louisiana fish fry. Seasoned, crispy fish fry. I'm going to try that. And see how it turns out. I fried chicken breaded, but I've never fried fish or shrimp breaded in the air fryer. Okay, guys, there's my dinner for tonight. I have a side of coleslaw, fish, shrimp. I think this is ketchup, and that's cocktail sauce, and that's a cucumber salad. So I'm definitely, hopefully, I'll enjoy this. The cocktail sauce is near you, so if I'm reaching towards the camera, that's why. Or away from the camera. I think this, hopefully this is cocktail sauce. Pretty good. I'm trying to figure out why it's spicy. Unless it's spice. That's my first time using the Louisiana seafood fry stuff. So maybe that's why. I'm gonna try a piece of fish. I'm gonna dip this in the ketchup. I should have bought some tartar sauce, but I'm still being cautious of whatever. I weighed all this food up and tallied up all the calories, even the sauce, down to the breading. I did that. I'll put somewhere in the video how many calories the whole meal is. Pretty good. It's pretty good, actually. Dang, I want to pull the coleslaw off the plate. You're like, Shonda, maybe if you use the fork, it will work better. I'm gonna dip it in the tartar sauce. No, not. Damn, I got tartar sauce on my mind. Really? I'm gonna dip it in the cocktail sauce. Maybe I should try the fork. The fish is pretty good. And it's not dried out. Perfect. I really see it's flaky. It's nice. Pretty good. Let me take another shrimp, dipping it in the cocktail sauce. See the crispiness of it? Came out really good. And the only thing that I use for oil was the olive oil spray. I sprayed the pan. Sipping on some green tea. Comment down below if you ever eat your salad last. I know a lot of people eat their salad before their meal, but if you ever try to eat your salad last, comment down below. Just saying, or just asking. Yeah, both. I guess while I'm sitting here, I can go ahead and end this vlog. It's not very lengthy, but I've been, I was doing some strength training before I started eating, so I need to get back to that. Yeah. So I hope your day was well, great, all of the above, and I will see you in my next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my videos, please. How will anybody find me if you don't share me?